So the last app I'm going to talk about is the commonlit.com library. And it's not commonlit.com, it's commonlit.org. So commonlit.org is a text library, and you can search for relevant texts, and you can search them by Lexile range, which is really helpful if you have some lower readers in a group. This is an example. The blue-eyed, brown-eyed exercise is a text that we read earlier this year, and this was in conjunction with beginning The Outsiders. So this gave the students some background information on what it feels like to be an outsider. And we read the article, we watched the documentary, and then we had a discussion. And so thinking about, what are your reactions to this? And I did not assess them over that, but if I, for example, was absent and wanted to, have them take the assessment, I could go ahead and assign this for my students. Up to this point, I really have just searched the database and found articles I was interested in having them read. But as our district is moving away from a textbook subscription and having teachers find literature on their own or articles on their own, commonlit.org is going to be a great resource. And so they have, it's by grade level, so it is for upper grades, but it does have a really extensive database. So one of the other stories we read is some O. Henry stories. We usually do that in the spring, and let's see here. So, After 20 Years is in our textbook. Gift of the Magi is not, and maybe I would like to teach both of those so they would have an idea of how to compare different works by the same author. I think the ISTE standards this commonlit.org addresses, it engages students in exploring real-world issues, so targeting, especially nonfiction articles that are related to fiction works that we're reading in class. So that's ISTE Standard 1B, and also 2A, designing or adapting relevant learning experiences. And that's it. I do recommend this, and again, it has, I think, also some social studies relevance, not just English. All right, thanks a lot.